Hey guys, first thing here, been a long time. Today I have the Rydonair 13-inch antenna to replace on my 2015 F150. I think they're good from 09 to 2019, I think. So I'm putting this on because I haven't told you or showed you guys, but I got a 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, so my antenna's pretty tall. It hits stuff going into the woods and everything, so it's just real simple. Just get yourself a wrench, crescent wrench even. Sorry if I'm really close to it. There we go. Maybe not go. There goes the antenna. So they're pretty tough. There we go. So I won't be able to tell you about reception, but I read the reviews and the reception's supposed to be about the same. I didn't want to go with the 7-inch because at that point I kind of didn't believe that it would be. So they're there for comparison. I'm pretty sure the stock one is a 31-inch, and as I said, this is a 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed that in there. Perfect. Looks good. Functionable. Worth $30 to me anyway. So there it is. Maybe I'll give you a sneak peek at the truck too. Take care, guys.